Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Can Academy. So today I'm going to discuss about some of the hiring which has been announced today itself and some hiring which are older, right? So start with the first hiring which is from the Edge Verve and Infosys company. They are hiring for the fresh as a technology analyst. So this is the exact job role that is providing. Okay, and what are the job description like? What are the skill set that you should have for this hiring opportunity? If you have excellent presentation and interpersonal skills, then you should definitely apply. If you are like willing to take a frequent short term travels up to 30 days client location within the outside India, then you should do it. So guys, बहुत अच्छा अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है बिकॉज क्लाइंट लोकेशन पे जाके आपको काम करने का मौका यहाँ पे मिल सकता है. बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी लाइक यूनिक्स एसक्यूएल ओरेकल okay and java rest apis, then you should definitely apply api web services knowledge for the interfacing aspect, experience in software like containerization platform like docker container. So basically you should definitely apply. अगर आपके पास docker containers वगैरह की knowledge है तो आपके लिए काफी advantage होने वाला है. So this is kind of good hiring where you can apply. Next, we have also from the Sutherland. I think if you have not applied, you should definitely apply because this is the technical hiring as a software engineer development or testing you are going to work, and this is for Bangalore location. And what are the criteria? If you have BCA, MCA degree also that you can apply. If you have BTech degree in CSE and IT, then you can apply. So guys, ऐसा criteria नहीं है कि इसमें only BTech के students apply कर सकते हैं. If you are from the BSc, BCA, MCA, then you should definitely apply. Okay, if you have functional knowledge, IT service delivery, no, like domain, then you are going to apply in this one. Next, we have opportunity from the First Source. So First Source currently hiring with a customer service like associate 2026. This is the new hiring opportunity because new batch also. What you have to do, you just have to fill this application form like full name, gender, primary contact number, mother or father contact number, primary email ID, date of birth, how did you hear about us, and full name of the college, hometown, everything you have to fill for this opportunity and course and degree and what are the degree you have. If you are from the BA background, BCom, BBA, BSc, VE, BTech, everything they have mentioned, whatever the background you are keeping, you can definitely mention. Okay, job location also, these are the some preferred job location that you are going to fill over here, like what is your preferred job location, any active backlog. So all the things you have to provide and submit the application. This is the also kind of direct hiring opportunity where you can get the response also. And next hiring where this is from the Emerson. Emerson currently hiring for the network engineer. This is for Nasik location, Maharashtra location. What is the criteria? So as a technical skills है जो आपके पास होना चाहिए वो पूरा नेटवर्क से रिलेटेड यहाँ पे मांगा गया है, जैसे कि ISO OSI लेयर्स की नॉलेज आपके पास होना चाहिए, नॉलेज ऑफ सर्वर्स 2016 एंड 2022, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, डोमेन सेटअप, रिमोट डेस्कटॉप कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, वो सारी चीजें आपके पास आना चाहिए, CCNA, CCENT. सो दीज आर दी सम स्किल सेट, क्योंकि नेटवर्क इंजीनियर में आप जाना चाहते हैं तो नेटवर्क से रिलेटेड आपके पास एटलीस्ट स्किल सेट तो होना ही चाहिए. Apply in this one. Okay, next, this is very recent opportunity. You can clearly see posted 19 November 2025. मतलब आज के दिन यहाँ पे पोस्टिंग हुई है. This is from the Bank of America as a apprentice you are going to work, and this is for Mumbai location and Hyderabad location and other also like Chennai. So this is for multiple locations. If you want to apply, you should definitely try in this hiring opportunity. What is the criteria for this hiring opportunity? The requirement is educational qualification eligible final year students from the class of 2026. 26 बैच के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. और डिग्री टाइप आपका क्या होने वाला है? बैचलर्स डिग्री. इफ यू हैव मास्टर डिग्री देन यू कैन अप्लाई. मास्टर कैंडिडेट शुड हैव मोर देन 0 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, शुड नॉट हैव. ओके, नॉट हैव मतलब कि टोटल फ्रेशर, इसमें कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. अगर आपके पास ब्रांचेस लाइक इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर साइंस ब्रांच, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच, इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम और सिमिलर डिग्री ऑफ रिलेवेंस, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली अप्लाई. So this is also very good hiring opportunity. Next, we have opportunity from the Concentrix. They are hiring for the customer service representative, and this is all also for fresher 0 to 3 से यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट है. इसमें आपके देखो कोई भी डिसिप्लिन मतलब कि कोई भी, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम दी CS ब्रांच, नॉन CS ब्रांच, सभी इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एनी ग्रेजुएट और एनी अंडर ग्रेजुएट कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस hiring opportunity. Next hiring opportunity which is also kind of direct hiring opportunity because this is kind of direct है, इसमें कोई भी shortlisting की जरूरत आपको नहीं पड़ेगी. You can directly start your process uh, on center, right? एडोबी की तरफ से हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी होने वाले टेक अप्रेंटाइज इंटर्न, दिस इज फॉर 6 to 7 लाख पैकेज फॉर द बेंगलोर लोकेशन। इसमें आपके जो स्टूडेंट्स एलिजिबल हैं वो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बीई बीटेक वाला। अगर आप एमसी वाले में अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं तो ये आपके एमसी के लिए होगा। वहाँ पे दो कैटेगरी आपको मिल जाएंगी, दिस इज फॉर एमसी एंड दिस इज फॉर बीई बीटेक। सो आपका यहाँ पे टेक्निकल रिक्वायरमेंट लगभग सेम होने वाला है। जावा स्क्रिप्ट, जावा एसक्यूएल में आपके पास नॉलेज होना चाहिए। अदर स्किल सेट ऑल्सो यू कैन सी पाइथन वगैरह में आपके पास नॉलेज होना चाहिए। सो दे आर एक्टिवली रिक्रूटेड। If you want to apply, you should definitely apply. Next, if you want to apply in the AI hackathon type, so Agent.ai currently providing a very good hiring opportunity, guys. And this is kind of a hackathon. You can directly participate and you can win some cash prizes and opportunity also, interview opportunity also. Next hiring, which is from the guys, AccuJob also providing like different kind of shortlisting. They are shortlisting students based on the performance, everything. So you can register on the AccuJob first. Then you have to provide some like experience there, guys. One platform that I'm going to introduce, like found it. Okay, so guys, here the Geo platform currently hiring for the desktop support engineer. So guys, this is from the Geo. If you want to search for the Infosys, and what you have to do, you can keep like over here fresher, then you can find out the multiple hiring opportunities for the Infosys also. Because Infosys currently hiring for the different opportunities, multiple openings. You can see like data scientist CV, data scientist, software engineer, intern, something kind of relevant opportunity. You can see multiple. This is kind of naukri.com. जैसे आप naukri.com में प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करते हैं, you can get the call from the recruiter, so directly you can do here, क्योंकि naukri.com पे बहुत ज़्यादा competition हो चुका है. So if you want to use another platform like naukri.com, then you should use this found it, right? So इसकी लिंक आपको सबसे पहले मिल जाएगी, and you can try in this one. So these are the some important hiring opportunity that you should have the requirement, and जो भी आपके पास रिक्वायरमेंट है आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, if you have relevant degree and skill set. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.